Tired of traffic? Fly past it. Hey friends, imagine zipping through traffic, skipping the crazy commute, and folding your ride up into a neat little package when you reach your destination. Allow me to introduce the HiKeep Folding Electric Bike, the game changer you never knew you needed. Picture this. You live in a city with packed public transport. Boom! The foldable design makes it a breeze to bring this baby anywhere. Yes, even the tiniest cubicle or that packed elevator. Now, let's talk technology. Got a wicked hill on your way? The HiKeep's powerful electric motor kicks in, making you feel like you're cruising on flat ground. The removable battery? It's a dream for charging on the fly or protecting from would-be thieves. Cruising around town has never been so comfy. The HiKeep is all about that plush seat life, ensuring those long rides relieve you of any hip fatigue. Extra points for the adjustability in the seat and handlebars, giving you that tailor-made riding vibe. Have some fun, but stay safe out there, folks. Front and rear mechanical disc brakes and lights make sure you're seen and can stop on a dime. So tempting, right? If you're tired of being just another commuter, give the HiKeep a look. Dive into the details by clicking the link in the description. Who knew biking could be this electrifying?